Hi, how's everyone's week going? Is everyone doing well? Having a good time? We are, so I hope you guys are too. Continuing on with our Southern Week recipes, today we are making fried chicken because I don't know of anything more Southern in terms of an entree than fried chicken. Yeah. It's time for another episode of Cooking with Kaitlin. That's me. Enjoy! Alright, so for our chicken, Um, thought I defrosted some tenders, but I wound up defrosting some breast, and that's fine. Just gonna cut them up, and for a few I might cut off some of the excess fat, a little near. So I'm just gonna do this, then we're gonna put them in that, and then we'll cut back to it. So if you wind up with breast instead of tenders, you can still do it, just slice them to the desired size. Alright, so with this, we've got it all in here. I'm gonna coat it with buttermilk. Kind of the base of it, and some garlic. Get the garlic open. Just gonna kind of, probably a couple tablespoons worth there for the buttermilk. Probably around a cup, a little over a cup. Just got that. We've got other stuff we're gonna be, once we get this all kind of dredged or just coated, that's what I'm doing, kind of a general coating, letting it all kind of get and meld over that. Then we'll get together our flour dip, what we're gonna dip it in before we fry or bake it. Go, just doing that. All right, be back in a sec. All right, so we're gonna make our flour mixture. Got oil heating over, pointing at what you can't see. Oil heating over there, so we're gonna do right around 2 cups of flour. It's probably more than we need, but that's usually what you do. We're gonna add some spices to it. We're gonna do some pepper. Actually, I'm gonna do sea salt instead of the other salt. All right. Do some paprika. Have a nice little kick. Some oregano. Nice little burst in there. All right, we're just gonna mix that all together. All right. We've got our chicken that's been with the buttermilk and the garlic. That oil is starting to heat up. I'm gonna kind of show you this way, and then I'm just gonna move you guys over there once I do this piece. So bear with me. All right. Take that, we're gonna let it drip just a bit. We're gonna coat it in all of this real nicely. And that's good and hot, so we're gonna put it in there. And I'm gonna move you guys over, so hang tight. So we're gonna let it cook for a few minutes on each side. Always slice in. We need to make sure it's cooked when it's on the other side, but we'll check on them in a couple minutes when it's time to flip. All right, just cooking up pretty well. We're gonna, I don't know if this is the best thing, but it's what I'm trying. All right. It was a thought. I don't think it's gonna be what works. We're gonna have to do that. Oh, a little bit of grease, but that's why we wear makeup. There we go. Alright, we'll check back on them in a little bit. Alright, them in, on paper towels so the grease comes out. Alright, we'll check back at the end with them all. Alright, and there's all our chicken. Okay. Bon appetit.